Business doesn't happen just in boardrooms. It happens over coffee, across small tables, in the details, a receipt, a transaction, even a simple bottle of water. Individually, they're small. Across a company, they become complexity. At ABUKAI, we make that complexity disappear. Behind the simplicity is serious engineering, multi-country VAT logic, infinitely customizable policies, per diem automation, configured with white-glove precision. So your teams can focus on the meeting, not the paperwork. Business moves fast. Your expense management should move with it, quietly, reliably, precisely. ABUKAI, complexity handled.